Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up my brand new laptop. I'm so excited. Okay, I just got it today after class. Oh my gosh, how do you open this thing up? Okay. Okay, I got that foam out. Oh my gosh, this is my first laptop. So excited. It's I think I got it backwards anyway. A Lenovo. It's 15 inches. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at this. Oh, let's open it up. See if I can get it open. Oh my gosh. I don't even really like purple like that though, but oh my gosh. I'm just so excited. This is my first laptop. So pretty. But I wish this was like purple as well. But I guess you can't do that, but oh, so freaking pretty. Let's turn it on. There we go. Is it even on? I'll probably have to charge it up, but this is my laptop. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to study with it today with my sister. I hope you guys like it. I really don't know the specs of it. Oh, about to mess up my first laptop. But look at this. Oh, well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to be doing college walks. I'm just going to be talking about my day in class or my work study job, and I'll just be walking around campus talking about it. And I hope you guys enjoy that. Comment down below if you want me to do that. Thank you for watching my video, and see you next time.